Hello everyone, this is Prabhat Tiwari. Welcome to my YouTube channel Swadhyay Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about error 404 in our computer system security. Let's discuss about HTTP 404 or error 404. Now first discuss what is error 404. Actually, a 404 not found error is an HTTP status code. That means that the page you wanted to access a website couldn't be found on their server. Now, uh, uh, regarding 404 error, you might know that if you are hosting a website and your website is giving continuous HTTP 404 error, that means uh, you will get a negative impression on website by Google or Yahoo. Uh, every time you try to access a link, uh, yeah, every time you try to access a link on the web or visit a site, you are actually telling a server that is located somewhere to send you a page. For example, when you go to amazon.com, you are telling the Amazon server that you want to see their homepage. This is called request, and the server you are responding you are requesting for the response is sending you back sending back your responses, and that responses, that communication is known as HTTP. But when this communication breaks, you might or may see error 404 or not found or HTTP 404. Actually, when an HTTP 404 appears on your screen, it means that although the server is reachable, the specifying page you are looking for is not. Essentially, it is a page that does not exist, or it is broken. The 404 code can appear in any browser, regardless if you are using Google Chrome or Mozilla. And importantly, a 404 not found error can be displayed in many different ways. That is 404 not found error, 404 HTTP, 404 page not found, error 404 not found, HTTP 404 not found, the requested URL was not found on this server. These are the types of error 404 messages on your screen. Okay, how 404 occurs? One of the leading cause of 404 is broken link. It happens when the site visitor type in the wrong URL, website name changed. Okay, what is the solution? Solution is if you are getting 404 error, tell visitor clearly that the page they are looking for can't be found, and make sure that 404 page looks the rest of your website. Add links to your site's homepage, add links of your popular blog or articles. And now how to add customized 404. This is a customized 404 page. Left hand side it is a default 404 error, and right hand side it is a customized 404 page. You can create customized for page by including whatever information we would like to share with visitor who encountered 404. If you want to give some message with your 404 error message, you can customize a page for that. Let me discuss some more thing. I want to tell you what is 404 in our 404 error. Basically, first four is a client side error. It means website uh, uh, web address may be wrong, or web address may not be correct. Web address has been removed. And zero stands for syntax error. It might that you have misspelled something, misspelled type. And another last four is specific is for a specific error. It specific error matlab not found. It means not found. If anything is not there, then last 4 is used for a specific error. I hope it is clear. You all are clear about 404 error now. Uh, uh, Thank you so much for viewing my video.